our expertise, we've been doing this for 30 years, we're going to put you in the best solution for your customer and yourself so that you have a smooth road the rest of the way.
We're trying to make it a one-stop shop for our customers so that way they're not having to go to different businesses to pick up material. If they're able to come here, pick up their gate operator, pick up their safety devices, as well as their keypads, their remote controls, anything that's going to help close the job, fulfill all the needs of what that homeowner's asking for.
Well, we've got a lot of different things to offer. Got a great, management team in place, a lot of experience from all over the industry with our outside sales guys. Most of them, have been out in the field installing. There's value there because, they can relate to what's happening in the field.
At SAS, we have one goal, which is to be the leading distributor of wholesale security equipment. So we don't get there by selling product. I mean, obviously that's part of it, but the entire plan is being with our dealers and being their resource every step of the way. So we become the leading distributor by supporting our dealers through continued education, through trainings, through events that connect them with these manufacturers to learn about product and really take their own businesses and their own service for their clients to the next level. So we really try to position ourselves as an educational leader. That's our goal, and that's how we're going to get to where we want to be.